Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, giving you your latest landscape update. Redbuds are one of my favorite trees. This is a very young one, but it's blooming this time of year. This is early March, and one of the reasons it's my favorite, or one of my favorite trees, is because it's one of the earliest bloomers of the year. So if you're looking for something that gives you a nice spring pop, this one lets you know that spring is just around the corner. I've actually seen these occasionally with snow on the limbs, with the blooms poking through the snow. So it's that early of a bloomer. Um, this particular one is an Oklahoma redbud. These will get somewhere around 25 feet tall. And then there is also another one called forest pansy. And this particular one has green leaves to it throughout the rest of the year. And then the forest pansy is a little bit shorter, a little bit smaller, and it actually has purple leaves. So if you're looking for a tree that is kind of like the Japanese maple, but you have a more sunny location, this is a good choice because it'll still give you, over the summertime, that purple color that the Japanese red maple does, but does better in the sun. So this is, if you're looking for an early spring bloomer to spice up your landscape, this is a good choice. Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, local experience that you can trust.